What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best webcams for streaming you can buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The NexiGo N930AF webcam is a high-quality device that offers a superior video conferencing experience. This webcam is equipped with a 1080p Full HD resolution that delivers clear and sharp video quality, making it ideal for online meetings, video calls, and live streaming. The autofocus feature ensures that the webcam stays in focus even if you move around, ensuring that the video remains clear and stable. This webcam also features a built-in microphone that offers the crystal clear sound quality, ensuring that you can communicate effectively during online meetings. Additionally, the webcam is easy to set up and use, as it can be connected to your computer or laptop via a USB port. The N930AF webcam is compatible with various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Android, making it versatile and suitable for different users. Another advantage of the NexiGo N930AF is its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around and use on the go. The webcam can be easily mounted on a tripod or clipped onto the top of your laptop screen, ensuring that you can position it perfectly for the best angle. The Elgato Facecam Pro 4K60 is a high-end webcam designed for professional-grade video streaming, content creation, and video conferencing. It offers an outstanding 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, making it a perfect choice for anyone who requires ultra-clear, lifelike video quality. The camera features a large image sensor that captures more light than traditional webcams, resulting in brighter and more detailed images even in low-light conditions. The Facecam Pro 4K60 is built with a range of advanced features, including an adjustable field of view that can be set anywhere from 82 to 90 degrees. This allows users to customize their video capture to suit their needs, whether they are streaming gameplay or conducting a professional video call. The camera also comes with a detachable privacy cover, which can be used to protect the user's privacy when the camera is not in use. Another notable feature of the Facecam Pro 4K60 is its compatibility with a range of software and platforms. It is fully compatible with popular streaming platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and OBS, as well as video conferencing software like Zoom, Skype, and Microsoft Teams. The camera can be easily integrated into these platforms, allowing users to effortlessly switch between different applications without any technical difficulties. Overall, the Elgato Facecam Pro 4K60 is a top-of-the-line webcam that offers exceptional video quality, versatile features, and seamless integration with popular software and platforms. Whether you're a professional content creator, gamer, or business person, this camera is an excellent investment that is sure to enhance your video conferencing and streaming experience. The Logitech Brio 4K webcam is a top-of-the-line webcam designed for professional use, offering exceptional video quality and a range of advanced features. The camera captures video in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every detail is crystal clear. It also features advanced optics, including a high-quality lens and autofocus technology, which ensures that the subject is always in focus and that the video is free from distortion. One of the key features of the Brio 4K webcam is its compatibility with a wide range of video conferencing software, including Skype, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. The camera is also compatible with popular streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube, making it an ideal choice for gamers and content creators. It can be easily integrated into these platforms, allowing users to quickly and easily switch between different applications. The Brio 4K webcam also comes with a range of advanced features, including a 5x digital zoom, adjustable field of view, and HDR technology. The adjustable field of view allows users to choose between 3 different settings, 65, 78, or 90 degrees, while the HDR technology ensures that the video looks natural and vibrant even in challenging lighting conditions. Overall, the Logitech Brio 4K webcam is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality webcam that can deliver exceptional video quality and a range of advanced features. Whether you're a business professional, content creator, or gamer, this camera is sure to provide you with the tools you need to take your video conferencing and streaming to the next level. The Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra webcam is a premium webcam designed for professional-grade video streaming and content creation. It offers an impressive 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second or 720p at 60 frames per second for smooth, lifelike video quality. The camera is equipped with an advanced sensor that captures more light than traditional webcams, providing bright and detailed images even in low-light conditions. Additionally, it features a customizable field of view and an adjustable mount, making it easy to position the camera for the perfect shot. Overall, the Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra webcam is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality webcam that delivers exceptional video quality and advanced features. DEPSTECH DW49 webcam is a popular choice among users who are looking for a high-quality webcam that can be used for video conferencing, live streaming, and other purposes. This webcam features a full HD 1080p camera that can capture high-quality video footage and produce clear and crisp images. It also has a built-in microphone that can capture audio with good quality and clarity. The DEPSTECH DW49 webcam is designed to be easy to use and set up. It comes with a USB cable that can be connected to your computer or laptop, and it is compatible with most operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. It also has a clip that can be attached to your computer or laptop screen, making it easy to position the webcam at the right angle for your needs. Another great feature of the DEPSTECH DW49 webcam is its low-light performance. It can capture clear video footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for use in dimly lit rooms or during evening video conferences. Additionally, this webcam has a wide-angle lens that can capture a large field of view, which is great for group video calls. Overall, the DEPSTECH DW49 webcam is a great choice for anyone who needs a high-quality webcam that is easy to use and provides excellent performance. Its full HD 1080p camera, built-in microphone, and low-light performance make it a top choice for video conferencing, live streaming, and other applications. So that's it for the top 5 best webcams for streaming you can buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.